right, everyone. So after you take your notes, you are going to have to do this quick check. This is to help with the quick check. So you have to solve and graph. So, like I've told you guys multiple times in the video, it's just like solving a normal equation. It's just a different symbol, that's all. So for instance, I'd start, okay, I have variables on both sides. Get rid of the smaller one by doing the opposite operation. So now I have 8x, bring my leftovers down, symbol stays. Now I need to get these numbers away from my x. Start with the unattached by doing the opposite operation. So now I have 8x, that canceled out, and 2. I need to divide by 8 to get rid of that coefficient. So I have x is greater than 1/4. So I drew my number line up there, and I have everything in fourths as a fraction. So I start here. It's greater than, not greater than or equal to, so it's an open circle. This indicates that my x is bigger, so I need to make my line go towards bigger numbers. That's how I solve and graph. All right, so the next one, once again, we are going to draw the line down the middle like we normally would. I have distributive properties, so I have to distribute. So that's going to be 15 minus 3x, and then I have minus 2x over here, and 17. Now I need to decide where I want my variables to go. I'm going to want them to go over here. No, I'm going to put them over here. I'm going to go with the smaller one and get rid of it. So I do the opposite to get it to cancel out. So now I'm left with 17 plus x, symbol's still there, 15. Now I need to get this 17 away. So I have to subtract 17 on both sides because it's a positive. So now I have x is less than or equal to -2. So now I drew my number line. It is less than or equal to, so it's going to be a solid circle. This indicates that it is going to be less than, so I need to point my arrow towards smaller numbers. All right, this is our last one. Once again, split it down. We have to do distributive property. So I have 40x plus 24. Symbol stays. Nothing was done here. So we look at our x's on both sides, get rid of the smaller one. That cancels that out on this side, leaving my leftover. That creates 10x plus this leftover 24. All right, and then I need to get rid of this stuff, put it over here. So get rid of the unattached number by doing the opposite. So I have -30. Still have 10x over here. To get rid of that 10, you have to divide. So I have x greater than or less than or equal to -10. So I need to have a closed circle, and it indicates that x is smaller, so I go towards the smaller numbers. I hope that this helps.